hardwood mulch. Over $800 million of this stuff is sold in the US alone every year. It comes in all sorts of different size bags. Different vendors charge more or less. In the end, is it worth it? Let's dive into this subject and find out. Here are the Lowe's options. Stay Green, which is kind of their house brand. Premium 2 cubic feet, black mulch, $2.50. Notice here that the Scott's Natural Landscape is 1.5 cubic feet. Not 2 cubic feet like it used to be, 1.5. And this was changed a couple years ago, and yet they're selling it at $4.98. Here, there's Scott's Earth Grow Black Mulch 1.5, and it's on sale for $2. It's been on sale for about 3 or 4 weeks. And my thought is, after they get to a certain level of burning off this 1.5 cubic feet, typically they'll go to their house brand for Home Depot, Vigoro. That's the Scott's brand that they sell at Home Depot. Naturescapes is the Scott's brand that sells at Lowe's. So I'm waiting for the Vigoro mulch to go on sale for $2.50 or $2. Maybe Scott's has this magic deal where they try to max out the sale of Scott's at Home Depot, maybe even Lowe's, before they go to the home brand. But is Scott's mulch that much better than Vigoro or Stay Green? I don't think so. I'm going to do a test this year against all these different mulches. Leave them out for a year and see what happens. Mulch in general is pretty much a ripoff. It says premium, hardwood, wood chips. They all kind of say the same thing. This has black blend mulch. So that's a combination of wood chips and shavings, or locally made, whatever that means. I can't imagine that they're making mulch all over the world. It's also a selling feature. I'm just not buying for Scott's. You're paying for the name. It's crazy. I've bought Scott's products over the years, whether it's topsoil or fertilizer seed. I'm just not seeing the value. I wouldn't do it. But when this goes off sale, 1.5 cubic feet of Scott's mulch is going to be the same as this Vigoro mulch for 0.5 less. Come on, Scott, you're better than that. Stop ripping people off with this 1.5, because a lot of people don't think about it. They see a bag of mulch, and they don't realize they're losing out with the Scott's bag versus the Vigoro bags. And yet, side by side, they'll look pretty close. It's a big ripoff. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of garden and home tips, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, home repairs, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what earthly deals you're gonna see.